So the sound on your Lenovo PC is not loud enough? Here are some things you can try. Number 1. Check the volume mixer. Right-click the sound icon on the taskbar and select Open Volume Mixer. Windows lets you set the volume level separately from each app and playback device. So check if the volume slider for that app is not maxed out, and drag it up to use all the available sound volume. Number 2. Adjust the advanced sound features. Lenovo PCs come with additional sound features like Dolby Audio Premium. Launch the app and choose the most suitable audio profile or create a custom one using the equalizer. Number 3. Check other audio enhancement settings. Some of our PCs come with audio enhancement features embedded in the audio drivers. In the Settings menu, choose System Sound, and then click on Sound Control Panel. On the Playback tab, right-click on the current playback device and choose Properties. On the Enhancements tab, you will find some audio enhancement settings. Try enabling or disabling some of the features to see how they affect the audio level and quality. Number 4. Are you sure your web browser tab is not muted? On most web browsers, you can now mute each tab independently. If your web page is playing a video or audio file and you hear nothing, make sure you haven't accidentally muted that tab. Depending on the browser, you may need to click the speaker icon or right-click and select Unmute Site from the menu. Number 5. Make sure the audio drivers are up to date. It's quick. Launch Lenovo Vantage and click on Update. Click Check for Updates and install all recommended updates. Number 6. Run the Troubleshooter. Windows offers a troubleshooting app. Right-click the sound icon on the taskbar and choose Troubleshoot Sound Problems, then follow the instructions. Remember to check our Lenovo support site, support.lenovo.com, to find more help.